Ever wonder how the medicines we rely on actually get made? You know, how they go from a complex chemical formula to the pill in a bottle? Well, today, we're going to peek behind the scenes. We're going to look at one company, Angia RX, to really understand that whole process. So, what does it take? Let's dive in. You know, behind every great company, there's usually a single powerful idea. For Angia RX, this is it. The goal to make healthcare accessible to everyone. And this isn't just some marketing slogan they put on a brochure, it's the core belief that drives every single thing they do. So, with that huge mission as our starting point, let's get to know the company a little better. Who exactly is Angia RX, and what have they built that makes them a key player in such a critical industry? Okay, so Angia RX is a pharmaceutical manufacturing company based out of India. The easiest way to think of them is as a vital partner for other pharma companies. They're the ones who take the recipe for a drug and actually turn it into the medicine you see on a pharmacy shelf. Now, I know what you might be thinking. These look like pretty standard corporate values, right? But in the world of medicine, these words carry a ton of weight. Excellence isn't just a nice to have, it's an absolute must. Innovation can literally change lives. And ethical practices, that's the foundation of trust between a patient and their medicine. So these aren't just words on a wall, they're the very pillars of their operation. So how do those values actually play out in the real world? Let's take a look at the services Angia RX provides for its partners. They basically have two main ways of doing business. First, there's contract manufacturing. Super straightforward. Another company has a drug, and they hire Angia RX to produce it for them. Simple. Then there's the PCD franchise model. PCD is kind of an industry term, but think of it like this. They partner up with local pharma experts, giving them the rights and all the support they need to sell and distribute their products in a specific region. It's a really smart way to expand their reach by teaming up with people who know the local market best. And what this all points to is that they're not just a factory line. They offer a complete end-to-end service. They can help with a product's entire journey, from figuring out the initial formula and designing the packaging, all the way through to providing marketing support and getting it distributed. They're essentially a one-stop shop for bringing a medicine to the people who need it. All right, so if you're offering a service that covers everything from start to finish, you'd better be able to handle a whole lot of different products, right? Well, let's take a look at just how diverse their manufacturing capabilities really are. And yeah, the range of what they can make is seriously impressive. We're talking about everything from the standard tablets and capsules we all know to more complex things like bilayer tablets. They also handle liquid syrups, which are so important for kids, and even injectables, which require incredibly sterile, controlled environments. They do topicals like lotions and ointments, and they even get into nutraceuticals, that growing field where nutrition and medicine meet. This kind of versatility is a massive strength. But look, being able to produce a lot of different things is one thing. In this industry, the absolute, non-negotiable foundation for everything is quality. So how does Angia RX guarantee that every single item that leaves their doors is safe, effective, and up to standard? And here we see it all coming full circle, right back to that mission we started with. That goal of better healthcare for all isn't some separate idea. It's achieved through manufacturing excellence. This shows you that for Angia RX, quality isn't just a box you tick at the end. It's woven into the fabric of everything they do. This commitment isn't just a vague promise either. It's a system. It all starts with their own incredibly strict internal processes. From there, they make sure anyone they work with, their suppliers, their vendors, meets those same high standards. They're constantly looking for ways to get better, because at the end of the day, the whole system is aimed at customer satisfaction, which in this business means patient safety and well-being. So what does that look like in practice? Well, it means relying on certifications that are recognized all over the globe. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. It's basically the gold standard rulebook for making sure pharmaceutical products are consistent and safe. And ISO 9001, that's like a seal of approval for a company's entire quality control system. By insisting that their partners have these certifications, Angia RX builds a chain of trust where every single link is strong and verifiable. So when we put all these pieces together, the mission, the services, the product range, the obsession with quality, what's the big picture? What is Angia RX's ultimate role in the world of healthcare? Really, the key takeaway is this. Angia RX is trying to be more than just a company you hire. They position themselves as a true partner, a partner who deeply understands that the final product isn't just a product. It's something that affects a person's health, safety,
quality, and making sure the medicine actually works. That is the bottom line.
And this all leaves us with a really important question to think about. In this huge global push to improve health for everyone, we often hear about the discovery of new drugs. But this makes you consider the other, crucial half of the equation. What is the true value of a partner who can make sure those incredible discoveries are produced safely, affordably, and to a standard that every single person can trust?